He can't wait to tell all his friends about it. Hey, Russell! You didn't create that video! You just copied someone else's content!
Uploading someone else's content without permission could get you into a lot of trouble. It may be copyright infringement. Copyright is a form of protection for original works of authorship, including literary, dramatic, musical, graphic, and audiovisual creations. Copyright infringement occurs when a copyrighted work is reproduced, distributed. You can lose, you'll get a use. In the United States, copyright law allows for the fair use of copyrighted material under certain limited circumstances without the prior permission from the owner. Under may have similar copyright.
Copies your work after you post it.
Or as a
There was an... That's more like it. By singing an original song, you're creating your own content. When you make an original video, you're the owner of your own copyright, and you have the right to post it to YouTube. Original content is what makes YouTube interesting. Start creating your own, and who knows, your video could explode. If you're still unsure about copyright issues, YouTube has some resources as a starting point. For more information, click the link for copyright at the bottom of every page.